built one of LEGO's best Spider-Man sets, so let's get into it. This set released in 2016, retailing for around $100 when it came out. Right now, goes for $350 plus. Has just under 1,100 pieces, and I think this set was way ahead of its time, because look at this thing. Almost 10 years old, and still holds up to this day. I mean, maybe nowadays they can make a even better one, but who wouldn't want this in their LEGO city? So let's get into the minifigures. We've got some pretty valuable minifigures in this lineup. We've got the Scarlet Spider, Ben Reilly. We've got Spider-Woman, Spider-Man, Aunt May, Green Goblin, Kraven, and the Scorpion. The most valuable ones are the Scarlet Spider. Oh no! I just literally broke. Okay, hold on. So Ben Reilly goes for I think around $75, and Spider-Woman, not sure what she goes for. Put it right here. And then Kraven. Kraven actually just got re-released. A set that came out in August for Spider-Man, which we haven't gotten a Kraven in like almost 10 years, so that's cool. I don't know if that drove the price down a little bit, because I mean they're not the same minifigure exactly, but similar. And then Scorpion. We've never had another Scorpion before, so that he goes for a lot. And put it right here. So let's get into the bridge. You can see, we'll start up top. There is a goblin flag on top, and bridge looks nice. There are cracks and stuff all over it that you use as stickers put on. And here, there's even a play feature where this can come out, and you can taxi, boom, it swerves out, and then the web catches it. So that's a cool little play feature. People love that. And then, what else do we have? We have here, we can launch minifigures. So we'll put one here. Or I don't know if they're meant to be launched minifigures, but I guess you can put stuff here and then, woo, launch them. And yeah, let's get into the stickers on the bottom. We've got, over here, it says, "The hunt is on." So a little Kraven Easter egg. And then over here, wanted, Green Goblin. What else do we have? We've got Scorpion, like, have you seen this guy? And then the Spider-Man Peter Parker loves. I'm going to assume that says Gwen Stacy for the GS. And here we have a play feature as well where you can pull this out and it goes back and forth, the little part on the bridge. And then here, if you do this right here, it'll, wait, hold on, I'm going to move the minifigures. It'll launch out. This is on both sides. So, boom. Oh! Those things went flying. Okay, hold on, I have to get them. Just put one here, and then you do the same thing with the other one. Just put it in. Like so. And then we've got some cool hideouts underneath. I'm not sure what this one is on the left, but cool little hideout, I guess, I think, for Kraven. Don't know a lot about Kraven, but probably something related to that. And then here's another one just with some webs and stuff. So yeah, this build was awesome. Okay, so it comes with this taxi as well, and then fire that you can put on the bridge as well, for some play feature, I guess. This is a cool design with the bridge. I haven't seen something like this in a long time. And I don't know, there's this police car. I don't know if they're just trying to like add more pieces or what, but yeah, that's included. Comes with some webs as well. Here are the webs. And actually, I wish LEGO still would do this. I'm sure they've cheaped out, but comes with this comic book with a checklist of minifigures that you can get, and it's a cool little comic with a couple sets that came out around the same time. Kind of like intermingling together. But yeah, I had an amazing time building this. I built this on TikTok Live. It was my first live ever. Made 20 cents off that. But so that was pretty amazing. Tons of people tuned in. Over 500 people, I believe. 2,000 something likes. Had a blast building this. I cannot wait to put this in my Marvel City. Or, would you call it my Marvel City? Yeah, we'll call it a Marvel City. And yeah, let me know what you guys want me to review next. Had such a good time building this. I can't stop stressing. Like, this is just my holy grail. I've always wanted this. So guess I'm gonna have to put a new one on top of my list since this one has been acquired. Yeah, let me know what you guys want me to build next, and I'll see ya.